Aye, it's Jeep the Caterpillar man of all. South African citizens. There's a lot of nonsense, stupid questions, people inboxing me and asking me why I want to chase foreigners. I'm not chasing foreigners. We don't want to live with undocumented foreigners. Undocumented foreigners. I don't have a fear for that. South Africa belongs to South Africans. Belong to us, doesn't belong to any foreigner. If you are here in South Africa undocumented, to November, any municipalities where there will be Action SA, you must fuck off. You must move. If you are doing an illegal business, you must fuck off in those cities. It's not a xenophobia. We'll be mopping up. You want to tell me about ANC? They were in exile. They were in exile with who? They ran into exile. Our fathers, they were here. Our parents, they were here. Our mothers, our grandfathers, and our grandmothers, they were here. They were in exile. They were in nonsense of exile. So we must suffer because of that nonsense, stupid of comrade of ANC exile nonsense. Our fathers voted for ANC. Our parents voted for ANC. Don't tell me that nonsense of ANC comrade of nonsense in this country. We don't want illegal immigrants here in this country. In the first place, they rent water. They are failing to supply water. When you ask, they will tell you that, yeah, now you use too much water. People, now you use too much water here in South Africa. Which too much water, nonsense of too much water you talking about? ANC, you failed the country. How many dams did you expand it or build it? Because you used the structure which is created by white people many years ago. That time of apartheid. You can't even supply electricity. Now we are running out of water in this country because we are men in this country. We have undocumented foreigners in this country. Foreigners must go. If it's xenophobia, let it be. Our fathers voted for ANC to get in power. Now we live with animals. Which freedom are you talking about? Nonsense, stupid leaders. No one must vote for ANC. No one must vote for ANC. Here foreigners, you will behave or else will jump. It's only Action SA can get rid of these documented foreigners. Don't inbox me and ask me stupid questions. And I'm telling you, UEFF members, that your leader is a hypocrite. Why he doesn't tell people that he lives in the nation with a white man? Why he doesn't tell people that his children are living and learning in the white schools? Why he doesn't tell the people that his lawyers are white? That bullshit, hypocrite, sell out. He's busy preaching that he wants to open borders. There is no foreigner in Africa. Yes, there is no foreigner in Africa. But any person who came from other African country to South Africa, you're a foreigner here. You are a kwere here. We don't care about that stupid leader of Julius. Who's Julius? It's nothing in this country. It's a piece of toilet roll. It's nothing. And I'm repeating again those words. He must open his mother's house and accommodate undocumented foreigners. To November, anywhere there will be Action SA. We don't want to see any stupid nonsense, undocumented foreigners and illegal businesses in our municipality. If it's xenophobia, let it be.
Time, the leader of the Patriotic Alliance, Gayton McKenzie, says only foreigners with special skills must come into the country. He was speaking in El Dorado Park, where the party was campaigning ahead of the November 1st elections. Let's take a look.
You must never make that mistake of voting for the PA if you disagree with my next point. Because my next point is unapologetically the stance of the Patriotic Alliance. And I'm going to explain that stance today. When the PA takes over at 9 o'clock, I don't care if you are Chinese, if you are Somalian, if you are Serbian, if you are coming from Angola, if you are coming from Mozambique, you are going home with immediate effect. You are going home. 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 I'm saying to you as the president of the PA, we are unapologetic. We do not want to see illegal foreigners here in our country. And when you are a legal foreigner, you must also come with a special skill here. You can't be legal and come and become a teacher here. We have enough teachers. You can't come here and be a nurse. We have enough nurses here. When you come here, you must come as a legal foreigner and work a skill that we don't possess here in South Africa. Our people, some of you call us xenophobia. All that you can say, the PA is xenophobic, but you don't talk about being patriotic. It is time to be patriotic, and the right thing to do is for them, ons is moeg.